Welcome. This is a deep stretch using the Chirp Yoga Wheel. I prefer the Chirp Wheel because it offers a groove to hug the natural curves of the back. It also offers a four-way stretch, which is kind of nice. Yoga wheels are one of my go-to for back tension and to help breathe more fluidly by opening up the chest and the upper back and shoulders. If you'd like to check out the wheel I'm using in this routine, I have placed a link below, so be sure to check it out. Let's get started. Begin seated, crossed legs, or on your knees, whatever option feels best for you. Placing the wheel in front of you, begin to roll the wheel forward with the outer edges of your hands, hinging at the hips until you feel the stretch. If the body allows it, rest the forehead on the mat, or you can rest the forehead on a block for a little extra height. Take your time here finding positioning. It does take a little bit of maneuvering, but once you get it, you'll feel really good. Slow inhales, slow exhales. On your inhale, gently release. If the legs are crossed, alternate legs. And if you were on your knees, take the knees wide. When you're ready, we'll begin to hinge forward, rolling the wheel forward into your fold, stopping wherever you feel that stretch. Observing the body, reacting less. Being really neutral with all and any sensations. And we'll inhale, gently release. Plant the feet and place the wheel behind you by your lower back. Begin to lean back over the wheel and gently rock side to side. Go ahead and give yourself a big hug here. Without moving the hips, gently lift your upper body up and then back down towards the wheel. Very gentle movement here. Now resting the wheel under your upper back. Give yourself a big hug and gently again begin to lift and lower the upper back and the shoulders. We'll interlace our fingers, reaching the hands up overhead. Slow inhales, slow exhales. Again, just observing, being really neutral here. Gently release. Reposition to the lower back. Pressing into the feet, lift the hips and begin to roll forward and back. Allowing the wheel to glide along the spine. Pressing into the feet, this time straightening the legs all the way. No tension in the neck. Allowing the upper body to rest over the wheel. Rest here or reach the hands up overhead. If the body allows it, bend the elbows and just grab the wheel here. Option to rock forward and back. We'll go ahead and release. Reposition the wheel to your lower back. Begin to rock forward and back. And start to shorten your movement, so shortening the flow over the wheel. And then begin to roll it under the upper back. So just allowing the wheel to kind of move upwards. And again, shortening your movements here. We'll release, coming back to your seat, allowing the head to rest on the wheel, hands to your sides, palms facing up. Full inhale, drawing the breath into the chest. Exhale, sighing out any tension within the shoulders and the upper back. Inhale, release, placing the wheel to your side, and come to rest on your back, hugging knees towards the chest. Observe the breath. Notice if it's a little more fluid. Grabbing the outer edges of the feet, opening the feet for happy baby pose. Option to rock side to side. And we'll release, hugging knees back towards the chest, good squeeze. And when you're ready, we'll take the feet to the bottom of the mat. Hands to your sides, palms facing up and open. Taking a moment here to observe the body and all the work you just did. Allowing the body to become heavier with each exhale. Begin bringing some movement back into the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head side to side, maybe bending the knees. Rolling over to your right, full inhale, full exhale. Gently come to seated. Inhaling, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.